Once your poll questions have been created, it's time to incorporate them into your session or workshop. If you'd like to embed the polls into your PowerPoint slide deck as live content slides, you'll want to first install the Conferences.io PowerPoint Mac app. Conferences.io built the PowerPoint Mac app feature for presenters who want to engage audiences with poll questions but would rather not have to leave their presentation slides to do it. In short, we want Conferences.io to take polls we create and build live content slides for us to add to our PowerPoint slide decks. Once your poll questions have been created, sign into the session as a moderator and go to Session Settings. Now on the Session Management page, click Add Live Content to PowerPoint or Keynote. I'm using a Mac computer today, so I'll select Mac for PowerPoint or Keynote. I like to say that our goal is to create a conversation between the computer that's being used to present the PowerPoint slides and the live content slides that contain our poll questions. The first half of that conversation is the PowerPoint add-in we're installing. This is what will allow the computer to recognize our live content poll slides as something other than a regular PowerPoint slide. And it only needs to be downloaded once. Click Download to install Conferences.io Mac app to open a page in the user guide where the most recent version of the app can be downloaded. Save the file to your computer, then open or unzip the downloaded zip file by double-clicking the file icon or right-click on the icon and select Open from the menu. Double-click the Conferences.io file to start the installation process. When the PowerPoint app has been installed, the Conferences.io icon will appear in your Mac's system tray.